Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. How are you all doing today? It's a bit of a sad day today because with the regulations changing at the end of the year, we're flying off to the Middle East tomorrow for 2 months, so we'll be back at the beginning of February. So if I don't fly today, I'll never get to fly again with the current regulations. So I thought I would come out in between meetings and packing and stuff and fly a bit around Helsinki and fly with my favourite drone, which is a Mavic 2 Pro. So yeah, it's a beautiful morning. The sun's just rising, and so I thought I'd just come out and fly for a bit and show you a bit of this wonderful city of Helsinki here in Finland. The regulatories here have been fantastic over the past few years. They really have. They've been so supportive. The business community have been so supportive of each other. The drone community have been fantastic. I want to thank everyone. I want to thank everyone out there in Facebook land, YouTube land, everyone for their support over the past 6 months we've been doing this. I'm not crying, you're crying. Fly safe. Yo. Yo.